Morning ladies and gents, I'm going to today build quickly this new atomizer courtesy of the Greeks called the DID. Now I'm going to turn the volume off while I do this because Madam's hoovering, the dogs are fighting and everything else that's going on in the world. So just for the sake of whatever, I'm just going to put this thing together so that you can see what's going on. It seems relatively. It actually came with an Allen key, which was quite good, which is actually very useful. So far, with first impressions, there is some beautiful workmanship on this. The threads themselves, just careful with my fingers, are absolutely wonderful in there. I can't see if I can focus, but they really are nice. No, they are. Let's see, just about see the threads at the top of the thing there. The threads on the top half are very, very nice. Everything's clean. Nice bit of engineering. The pin itself is beautiful, plus the little brass lock nuts that go with the positive pin. Anyway, I'll spare me a second and I will just set this up ready. So with sound next time. It's just that with it being busy Sunday, I really don't want to have half the household coming through the video. So there you go, straightforward, very simple. The threads are really nice, very, very clean, and I shall now strip it down again for another video. So off we go. Anyway, thanks for watching.